So I saw on Yahoo today that NASA is going to be sending a probe to the sun to quote unquote touch the sun. They are going to announce on Wednesday that they're going to send a probe to the sun about 6.5 million kilometers away, which is still, it seems pretty far away, but I mean, relatively speaking, it's pretty close. The last one that they sent, and the closest one they sent, was Helios 2 back in 1976, which got 43 million kilometers to the sun. Now that's still in between Mars and Mercury and the sun, but still pretty far away. But they said when they send it in the summer of 2018 that it's going to be able to absorb up temperatures up to 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit. So that's still pretty hot and still pretty close. To kind of give you guys an idea about the scale of what we're talking about is a website that I'll put a description to this website, a link to this website in the description below. And it's if the moon were 1 pixel and how it relates to the size of everything else in the solar system. So I've got the sun right here, and it said that they're going to fly about 6.5. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but that was at the middle of the sun, so it's somewhere around here. It's still pretty close. It looks, at least at this scale, it's pretty far away from the sun, but to kind of give you a perspective, Mercury is all the way out over here. Oh wait, where are you at? There we go. And it's 58 kilometers, that million kilometers all the way out here. So the previous one that they had was still closer to Mercury than the sun, and I mean, you all think that Mercury is pretty close to the sun, and it is, relatively speaking, but this is going to get, what would that be, 10 times closer to the sun than Mercury is, roughly? See, the distance is still, come on. These are all 1 million kilometers, so that's still pretty close, relatively speaking. So if you like this video, thumbs me up, share it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So until then, later guys.